So hello guys, today we are going to do the daily lead code question which is neighboring bitwise XOR. In this question we have given a derived array 0 indexed of length n that is derived by computing the bitwise XOR of adjacent values in a binary array original of length n. Okay, and especially for each index I in the range 0 to n minus 1, if I equal to n minus 1 then the derived of I equal to original XOR original of 0. Like if our I is at last index, then the derived of I equal to the XOR of first and last element of the original array. Okay, and otherwise derived of I equal to first and its next element, like adjacent element, XOR of adjacent element. Okay, so as an example one, we see that the derived of derived equal to this, and if we take original equal to this, then we can make this by performing the XOR operation on adjacent elements, right? So coming to solve the problem, what we can do, we know that the XOR of same element is 0, and so 1 and 1 XOR 0 equal to 1, different element is different. Okay, so now if we have derived a array, now let us solve this. We have derived array this, okay, and original this. If we take this as original, now one can be formed by doing the XOR of these two elements, okay, that is here, and this one can be formed by this, and this one can be, this 0 can be formed by this. Okay, and after if we see that in this derived array, we can, one thing you will notice that every element is coming twice. Why? Because we are comparing the adjacent, and the adjacent is also coming some other element XOR, right? So if we do the XOR of all the array, then it will be, the resultant will be equal to 0. Okay, and if we can't make the original array, then its resultant XOR is not equal to 0, and so we will return false. And if resultant is equal to 0, we will return true. Okay, like as here we can't, if we try all the possibilities of original, still we can't make the original array, so that it can make the derived array. Okay, so if we perform XOR on the derived array, it will be equal to 1, means we can't make, and we will return false. Okay, so this is our approach. Now coming to the code, let us calculate the size of the derived array, or we don't calculate size directly, we will take result for calculating the XOR, and now we will traverse on derived, and we will take out XOR of all the elements in the derived array. Okay, and we will return result equal to 0, right? Let us run the code. Yeah, it is running fine. Let's submit it. Okay, yeah, it is submitted.